how to restore Viber chat history without backup. Here's what you have to do. Load up the browser on your phone and you will search for Contact Viber Support. Here, you will click on the first website that pops up and you want to scroll all the way down until you see Viber Business Contact Us. Click on Contact Us and we will have to press and hold this button to confirm that we are not a robot. So just wait for this to confirm it. And alright, we can proceed. Now it's going to ask us for verification once more. We gotta select the motorcycle. Verify. Okay, submit a request. Here you will have to type your email address as well as the name on your Viber account. The category we will choose technical issue. The topic is gonna be a general question and you have to choose your country as well here from the list. Now make sure you type your correct phone number here as well as the area code for your phone number. The subject is gonna be backup restore, like so. And here's the description. You will ask Viber to restore your chat if it's available to them, and you will also need to provide your mobile service provider here in that last field. So whichever your service provider is, you will type their name and you gotta click on submit, and if they're able to assist you with this issue, they will contact you. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.